Maintaining a healthy weight is a journey, not a destination, and it's about adopting sustainable lifestyle habits rather than quick fixes. Point 1. It involves a balanced approach encompassing diet, physical activity, sleep, stress management, and mindful eating. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maintain a healthy weight. 1. Establish sustainable eating habits. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Build your diet around fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and healthy fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil. These foods are nutrient-dense and help you feel fuller for longer. Point 2. Prioritize fiber. Include plenty of high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes satiety. Point 3. Choose lean protein sources. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also helps you feel full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management. Point 4. Incorporate healthy fats. Don't shy away from healthy fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Point 5. These are important for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and overall health. Point 6. Limit saturated and trans fats found in processed and fried foods. Point 7. Control portion sizes. Be mindful of how much you're eating. Use smaller plates, measure portions, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium, offering little nutritional value. Point 8. They can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Point 9. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Point 10. Water helps regulate appetite, boosts metabolism, and is essential for various bodily functions. Point 11. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to your food without distractions, like screens. Point 12. Savor each bite. Eat slowly, and recognize when you're truly full. Point 13. This can help prevent overeating. Plan your meals and snacks. Planning helps you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive, less nutritious options when hunger strikes. Point 14. Keep healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and yogurt readily available. 2. Engage in regular physical activity. Aim for a combination of cardio and strength training. Aerobic exercise, cardio, activities like brisk walking, running, swimming, cycling, and dancing burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Point 15. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. Point 1617. Strength training. Lifting weights, using resistance bands, or doing bodyweight exercises helps build muscle mass. Point 18. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, which can aid in long-term weight management. Point 19. Aim for strength training exercises at least 2 days a week, working all major muscle groups. Point 20. Find activities you enjoy. This makes it more likely that you'll stick with an exercise routine long-term. Incorporate movement into your daily life. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike for short errands, and find other ways to be more active throughout the day. Point 21. Be consistent. Regularity is key. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can add up. 3. Prioritize sufficient sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite, leading to increased 22 hunger and cravings for unhealthy foods. 23 It can also affect metabolism. 24 And reduce motivation for physical activity. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. 25 Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down before bed with activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. 2627 Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. 28 4 Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain. Stress can trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and promote the storage of abdominal fat. 29 Practice stress-reducing techniques. Incorporate activities like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Identify your stressors and develop coping mechanisms. Learning to manage stress in healthy ways is crucial for both physical and mental well-being. 30 5 Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're satisfied, not overly full. 31 Eat slowly and savor your food. This allows your body time to register fullness. Minimize distractions while eating. Avoid eating in front of the TV or computer, as this can lead to mindless overeating. 32 Be aware of emotional eating. Learn to differentiate between physical hunger and eating in response to emotions like stress, boredom, or sadness. Develop healthy coping mechanisms for emotional triggers. 6 Build a supportive environment. Surround yourself with healthy influences. Spend time with people who support your healthy habits. Make healthy choices accessible. Keep healthy foods readily available at home and work. Seek support when needed. Talk to friends, family, or a support group for encouragement. Consider consulting a registered dietitian or certified personal trainer for personalized guidance. 7 Be patient and consistent. Weight maintenance is a long-term process. There will be ups and downs. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes rather than seeking quick results. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and appreciate your progress along the way. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Occasional deviations from your healthy habits are normal. Get back on track with your next meal or activity. 8 Monitor your progress wisely. Regularly weigh yourself. But don't obsess. Tracking your weight can provide feedback on your progress, but don't let daily fluctuations derail your efforts. Focus on trends over time. Consider other measures. Pay attention to how your clothes fit, your energy levels, and your overall well-being, as these are also important indicators of health. Maintaining a healthy weight is a personalized journey. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is to find a balanced and sustainable approach that you can stick with long-term, focusing on overall health and well-being rather than solely on a number on the scale.